Greetings and welcome to Midlife Lab.
What is with this channel? Where's the synth stuff?
Quite. Well, let me introduce you to the next unit in the production of my first synth voice. This is a simple ADR transient generator. It is a straightforward and fairly standard design. We have a monostable, the period of which is set by the charging of either or both of these two capacitors. And the charging rate of these are set by a current provided by TR3, which is set by R6, the duration potentiometer. The monostable is triggered either by the positive going edge of a pulse on the trigger input, or manually by closing and then releasing switch 3. TR4 acts as a buffer, and when the voltage goes high at this point, the current is then steered via D3 to charge the either or both of the attack capacitors at this point. When this point goes low at the end of the monostable period, these capacitors discharge via D2. As the attack and decay are controlled by the charging of these capacitors, they are effectively exponential. Output buffered by TR5, and then the output level is set by TR6 and TR7. Simple, straightforward and effective. Now, I've put this circuit together on a breadboard. Now it is fairly much all over the place. We've got the monostable with the current driver, its buffer. Driving via the steering diodes. Just got one capacitor in here as the attack and decay capacitor. But when I got to the output, I found that with this arrangement on the output, I couldn't actually get a decent output level. I'm not using the exact transistors as here, but the two I was using were very similar in their characteristics, but still would not work. So what I did instead was I replaced those transistors with a simple 1 op amp output circuit. In this one I'm just using an LS141CT, which is very similar to a 741. And this gives a very good output indeed. That's this little baby down here. Right, we've got the basic layout. Let's see what it looks like, what sort of signals it actually produces. Here I have all of the control values set to the minimum. And see we get a fairly narrow pulse with rapid attack and rapid decay. This pulse is around about just short of 100 milliseconds. Now with the duration set to the maximum, gives a pulse width of around about 1 1/4 seconds. Now with the duration set to around about the middle, and with the decay set to maximum. giving us an envelope approximately 322 milliseconds, about a third of a second long. Now with the decay set back to its minimum and the attack set to maximum, and finally with both attack and decay set to maximum. So that's a simple run through of the output expected from this circuit, and in future videos I will go into the construction of the actual unit. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please smash that like button, perhaps share the video and subscribe, and I shall be seeing you.